In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error when emails are not sending. This is a very common issue that many Outlook users face, whether you're using it for work, school, or personal email. The good news is that most of the time, this problem can be fixed in just a few simple steps, and you don't need any advanced technical knowledge to do it. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get your email sending again quickly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should always check when Outlook is not sending emails is your internet connection. Outlook needs a stable internet connection to send messages. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is active and working properly. You can quickly test this by opening a web browser and visiting any website. If the website doesn't load, your internet connection is likely the issue, not Outlook. Once you confirm your internet is working, move on to the next step. Next, you need to make sure Outlook is not set to work offline mode. This is one of the most common reasons emails get stuck and never send. In Outlook, go to Settings, then navigate to General, and look for the Offline option. If Offline or Work Offline mode is enabled, disable it. When Outlook is in offline mode, it will queue emails but never actually send them. After turning offline mode off, wait a few seconds and see if your emails start sending automatically. If your emails are still not sending, the next thing to check is the Outbox. Large attachments can often block the sending queue and prevent all other emails from going out. Open your Outbox and look for emails with large files attached. If you see any, try deleting them or moving them back to drafts. You can also open the email and remove the attachment, then try sending it later using a file sharing link instead. Once the large emails are removed, Outlook should be able to send the remaining messages normally. While you're in the Outbox, confirm that none of the emails stuck there are causing the issue. Sometimes a single corrupted email can block everything else. Deleting or resending that one message can instantly fix the problem. The final thing you should check is your mailbox storage. If your mailbox is full, Outlook will stop sending and receiving emails. To check this, go to Settings, then Accounts, and select Storage. Here you'll see how much space your mailbox is using. If it's full or close to full, delete old emails, empty your deleted items folder, or remove large attachments from previous messages. Once you free up some space, try sending your email again. In most cases, following these steps will fix the Outlook sending error right away. Checking your internet connection, disabling offline mode, clearing the Outbox, and making sure your mailbox isn't full will solve the issue for the majority of users. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.